Meet the Crateinteriors crew, offering the only truly turnkey furnishing solution in the Bay of Banderas. A single point of contact for your entire move to Mexico. From the first walkthrough to the final big reveal, we are with you every step of the way. Managing property access, crew sign-ins, inspections, and more. Seamless appliance delivery with factory parts and certified tech installs. Our certified electricians create extensive lighting plans and custom illumination on site. Class A trades entirely overseen by us with weekly reporting back to you. Purchasing, freight, logistics, and delivery, all with a less than 1% damage rate. Over 100 brands in our program, all curated for coastal living and priced at the suggested retail. Your white glove delivery follows an exact sequence with over 100 checkpoints. Every install is a labor of love. Every arrival is a homecoming. Welcome to your new home in paradise. Now that's a great idea.